Welcome to my channel. My name is Freedom. In today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make a passive income online, how you can make 297 even more online. So there's a website that is that nobody's talking about, as legitimate, everybody's making money. People have been making a lot of people have been making money online. Nobody's talking about this website. I found it and it works for me, so I need to share with you people. So if you want to make money online, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and smash the like button, and don't forget to check down the description box for the link to sign up to this website. In case you want to go to Google and search for this website, there are many advertisements on Google. There might pop up a fake website claiming that they are this, and why they are not. At the end of the day, you find out you complete the task, you are not paid. So if you want to go work on this website that I'm going to show you in a while, check down the description box so that you sign up to the website. All right, without wasting your time, let's go to the website. The name of the website is sparkgigs.com. Yes, this is the website. People have been making money online on it, and plenty people have been making a passive income on this website. You can see. Let me show how this website goes before the sign up. Let me show how many people are withdrawing every hour, every day on this website. You can see huge amount of people are working on this website. You can see $49 this person just withdraw. The total end of this person 128. You can see huge money, $401. Oh my god. You can see this person water 31 has earned 2,277. Oh my goodness. This website is amazing. Bear J has made 585. Oh my goodness. 617. You can see how this website works. So if you want to sign up, click the sign up button. So all you need to do is to paste in your username, email address, password, confirm password, nickname, and select country, and sign up. It's very easy to sign up. Me, I have already existing account. Let me see if I can sign up. Oh my goodness. Let me show if I can. Let me just put in my password. First one. Alright, let me sign in to my account. Let me show you how the website works. The website is of two categories: one for employee and one for workers. You can see, for me, I employ people to do a setting. You can see this 0.74 cents. This is the spending amount I spend. I have been employing many people to work for me on this website. You can see people are working on this website. So if you are a worker, you switch to workers. You can see it's done already. So how it works is that you go to tags, micro job, you see, find a job. I'll show you how this website works. You can see, boom, this is how it works. Say new tags, comment on our video. See, just a small tax, just comment on a video, you get $2. In case you be doubting this is a fake website, I have tried this website and it works. This is not a fake website. Like I promise you, I will never promote a fake website to you guys. So this is a real channel that you need to subscribe to, so that I will be giving you back to back. You can see this person subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see he will give you $3. You earn, and if this person you subscribe to the channel, you paste the screenshot, and at the end of the day, it's going to accept your work. Then they'll pay you $3. You can see you can do this for, let's say, a week. You complete not less than 50 tags. 50 times 3, a lot of money. Oh my goodness, this is how people are making huge amount of money. You can see new tags. Follow us on Instagram, you get 2.5. Oh my god, see, money is here. Let me say money is here. This is the real way that you can make money online. I tell you, this is not a fake website. This works a lot for a lot of people, and it has been working. Like I showed you the other time, you can see people earnings. People are earning a lot of money. This is not a fake website, sorry. And you can withdraw your money using PayPal, yes, and other transfer. You can see they have survey, they offer. So this is a real website that you can make money with it. So without wasting your time. We have come to the end of the video, and don't forget to sign up to this website. So let me just show you before I end the video. Let me show you how this way. Like now, you want to complete this task. Let me say $3 tax. You click on the, you can see new task, subscribe to our channel, you get $3. You can see the instruction. First you read the instruction. The employer said go to this link, then click the button, then complete human verification that you are not a robot. To complete verification app and use for 30 seconds. Enter phone number, complete survey. After complete human verification, you will get access to the channel. Notes: do work honestly. Spam proof will lead to ban. Yes, exactly. Requirement: YouTube channel name, screenshot that show you have subscribed to a channel. Yes, this is very simple. This is the little as small people are doing, that you see them on the streets riding car, buying all the latest car. This is just a small work that you can just do when you are inside, at home, everywhere, or you are at work. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, smash the like button so that I will be notifying you, so that you get notified anytime I upload any video. This is a real channel that I promise that I will never fake any video, because I know that many people want to earn money online. So I've come to understand people have been faking a lot of video online, trying to make money on YouTube while faking this video. But me, I'm excluded of that. So I promise that I will never fake any video just because of money. I will give you the real facts about any website that I'm making a video with. So make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share to your friends so that them too follow up. Alright, thank you for watching this video.